Finding the right cookware for your induction cooktop can be a hassle, especially with so many options out there. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Cookware nonstick pots and pan set. Priced at $89.99, this 16-piece set caught my attention because of its titanium nonstick coating. If you want reliable nonstick performance without the worry of toxic chemicals, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this set might just be what you need. The titanium coating means food slides right off, making your cleanup a total breeze. We all know that feeling when food sticks to your pans. It's frustrating. Plus, the reinforced aluminum construction ensures even heating, so you won't have those annoying hot spots. This is especially important for induction cooking, where consistent heat is key. With over 6,000 units sold in the past month, it looks like a lot of people trust this set to get the job done. Now, I have to be honest, some users mentioned that the cookware isn't dishwasher safe. Here's the thing though, hand washing can actually extend the life of your pans, and with how easy they are to clean, it's not a deal breaker for me. If you're okay with a little hand washing, you'll be just fine. This set is perfect for you if you're looking for durable, non-toxic cookware that delivers on its promises. But if you need something that's dishwasher safe, you might want to consider other options. Now, if the Cookware hand washing requirement bothered you, the next set on my list might be more your style. Product number 2, Cook non-stick RV pots and pans set, which you can grab for just $59.97. This 21-piece set really intrigued me because of its removable handle feature. If you want something that's easy to store and versatile, this is definitely worth a look. The standout feature here is the removable handle, which locks securely in place. This means you can easily detach it for storage, saving you a ton of cabinet space, a huge plus if you're tight on room. Plus, the pots and pans are induction ready and safe for a wide variety of heat sources. This versatility is crucial, especially if you're switching between different cooking methods. And given the high-performance non-stick coating, your cooking experience should be pretty smooth and health-conscious too. However, some reviews pointed out that while the handle works well, it can feel a bit flimsy at times. Here's the thing though, as long as you make sure it's securely locked before cooking, it should hold up just fine. If you're someone who prioritizes convenience and space-saving designs, this set could be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you need a compact cookware set that's easy to clean and store. But if you're looking for something ultra durable, you might want to keep looking. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a classic stainless steel feel. Product number 3, Cuisinart Chef's Classic 11-piece set. We have the Cuisinart Chef's Classic 11-piece stainless steel set. While the price isn't available right now, this set is often positioned as a premium choice. What caught my eye is its aluminum core for even heat distribution. If you want something that truly performs well across the board, this is worth considering. This set includes essential pieces like saucepans and skillets, all designed to lock in flavors and nutrients thanks to its cool grip handles and gloss lids. The aluminum encapsulated base means no hot spots, which is super important for induction cooking. You want your food to cook evenly, right? Plus, it's dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly versatile. However, I have to mention that some users have commented on the weight of these pans. They're a bit heavier than some might prefer. But honestly, that weight translates to durability. If you're after quality that'll last for years, this could be worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end, professional-grade cooking experience. But if you're looking for lightweight options or something more budget-friendly, you might want to skip this one. Now, if the Cuisinart's weight concerns you, the next product has a different angle to consider. Product number 4 is the Cookware 26 PCS Pots and Pans set, retailing at $139.99. This set is large, and the sheer number of pieces is impressive. But what really got me excited is its ultra non-stick performance. If you're looking for a comprehensive cookware solution, this is a strong contender.
This set includes everything from frying pans to stock pots, making it a one-stop solution for all your cooking needs. The reinforced aluminum construction helps it heat up quickly and evenly, which is crucial for induction cooking. You won't have to worry about unevenly cooked meals here. What's more, the nonstick surface is rated for 10x better performance, so you can cook healthier meals with less oil and enjoy easy cleanup. However, I should mention that it's recommended to hand wash this set to maintain its longevity. Some users found that this was a hassle, but for me, it's a small trade-off for the performance you get. If you're someone who enjoys cooking a variety of dishes and needs a full set, this is still a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one cookware set that covers all your bases. But if you're just looking for a couple of pans, you might want to think twice before investing in such a large set. Now, if that size felt overwhelming, the next option is a more compact choice that still gives you flexibility. Product number 5, the Cuisinart 17-piece set pots and pans. We have another Cuisinart offering, the 17-piece pots and pans set, priced at $49.99. This set really stood out to me because of its detachable handle feature, making it a great option if you're short on space. If you want something that's easy to handle and store, this is worth checking out. With its non-stick granite material and multiple pieces, this set is designed for convenience. The removable handle allows you to go from stovetop to oven to table without missing a beat. How cool is that? Plus, it's touted to save up to 70% more storage space, perfect for smaller kitchens. The non-stick feature also means that cleanup is a breeze, which is always a major plus for busy home cooks. However, a few users mentioned that the handle can feel a bit less sturdy compared to traditional cookware. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with it and ensure it's attached properly, it should work just fine. For casual cooking or for those who prioritize easy storage, this set is still a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, user-friendly cookware set that doesn't compromise on performance. But if you need something heavy-duty for rigorous use, this might not be the best fit. Now let's wrap this up. So to quickly recap, we've covered a great range of cookware, from the Cuisinart non-stick set to the versatile Cuisinart Chef's Classic. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Cuisinart Chef's Classic because of its quality and durability. But if you're looking for a budget option, I'd avoid the Cook set because of the removable handle complaints. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.